At Pawleys Island Hammocks, every hammock starts with a tradition of craftsmanship passed down through generations. It begins with selecting the finest materials, chosen for their strength, comfort, and durability. From the first cut to the final coat of varnish, it's all about artistry. We take pride in every step, using time-honored techniques to create the perfect blend of comfort and quality. Each person contributes their unique skills to ensure every hammock meets the highest standards. Carefully weaving the rope together to achieve the perfect harmony of comfort and support, transforming each hammock into something special, something built to last a lifetime. It's the attention to detail, the pride in their work. This is excellence in every step of the process. Once complete, your hammock begins its journey to you, expertly packaged and carefully delivered, ready to arrive at your doorstep and become a part of your outdoor retreat. Handcrafted, home delivered. Pawleys Island Hammocks, where every hammock tells a story of dedication and the people who bring it to life.